A meme coin associated with Shiba Inu just hit $1 billion market cap faster than any meme coin ever. But since then, it's peeled back 65%, and now there's tons of FUD and controversy. But now, is there opportunity? That's what we're gonna answer in this video. Now we're gonna read the timelines here and then go into the charts and do some TA because folks, there's some wild swings with this coin. Now Shiro launched today, this is from a few days ago. Shiro launched today and hit an all-time high of $1 billion market cap. It is then pulled back to around $400 million. It's in the threes now. Probably the fastest coin. No, it is the fastest coin to hit $1 billion that they can remember as far as meme coins go. And it's also one of the biggest cat meme coins by market cap. This is where things get a little bit bullish. It is fully supported by Shiba Inu, the SHIB token. Now, when we go to this account here, 3.8 million followers, and they're posting about it earlier. This was a couple days before launch. Big day tomorrow for our friend Shiro and their exciting launch. If you haven't been following, here's what they've done for the army already. They burned some SHIB, committing to shifting a portion of the liquidity to Shibarium, a couple other things. So there's going to be a lot of connection here between the Shiba Inu community and the Shiro Neko community. And I'll explain what that name means in a second. But when we go back to the Twitter timeline here, the X timeline, to try to find the FUD, the controversy, a lot of it came from Bubble Maps. Now, Bubble Maps said there's some huge insider activity here. 90% was sniped and spread across 500 wallets. But this has happened in the past, and we've seen this with a lot of meme coins, and then Bubble Maps has talked about those coins before, and people are quote tweeting this and going in the comments and saying, here's a list of the insider-infected meme coins according to Bubble Maps. Now remember, some of these could be bots, some are going to be insiders, and some might just be people who really pour over the blockchain. Now, Shiba Inu was insider and VC infected. Let's go to the charts. This is the pump they were talking about. This was when the insiders and the meme coin cabal pumped up this token. So if you bought there and then sold a couple days later, yeah, it was maybe not a great move. It was probably a really bad move for your portfolio. But then if you just zoom out any time other than that, it ended up being a pretty good opportunity. And past this pump right here, basically everybody's in profit who bought the top right there. And if you just held on, you had a great exit in October of 2021. Well, what about Pepe? Well, the meme coin cabal pumped it again, and guess what? It did consolidate for a while, but if you held on, you're doing really well. Bonk and Brett, and then we'll wrap it up here and then go into the charts, everybody. Bonk, yeah, guess what? Meme coin cabal pumped it over $100 million. Oh my God, the insiders, they're making money off you. Oh wait, now the market cap is 3.3 billion. Brett, the same thing. The meme coin cabal pumped it up out of nowhere. And guess what? It did consolidate, it went lower. But since then, everybody who bought here has been in profit. So that takes us to DEXTools, and then we're going to look at the charts here. Now, DEXTools posted an article about Shiro Neko. And what's interesting about these articles here, they don't do it all that often. There's one time they posted about meme coins a few weeks ago where they say discover 4 top meme coins. So when you see a meme coin article on DEXTools, is that a top signal or is that a good time to accumulate? We're going to actually identify these 4 meme coins. But first, let's read the Shiro Neko article. So I did tell you I would say what that name means. So Shiro Neko translates to white cat in Japanese. So Inu translates to dog, Neko translates to cat. And it went from a 0 to $1 billion market cap in minutes. And we're going to zoom in on the 5-minute chart. It's going to shock you how quickly that thing moved. But here's the secret to the success. For them, more about building a strong foundation and maintaining sustainable growth. And it looks like they're actually kind of happy they're around this stable $300 to $500 million market cap. But we've seen what these consolidation periods can do for some of these other meme coins. That might be the time to load up your bags. And the connection here between Shiro Neko and the Shiba Inu, we already saw that they're publicly supporting, and they have a direct relationship with the world's second largest meme coin. They say, think of Shiba Inu as the big brother guiding Shiro Neko's rise, and I think retail is gonna kind of like that narrative. Big shout out to our sponsor, Arculus, for help making this possible. Disco fam, if you got some gains this cycle by following our calls, make sure you hold on to your gains and get yourself an Arculus card. We want to help you out, so we gave you a code DC20 and it'll help you save 20%. They're a great sponsor of this channel. We love working with them and we really like it. If you want to help support us, go get yourself an Arculus. It makes a fantastic Christmas gift. Let's hold on to our gains, and I'll see you at the top. But let's quickly look at the price action of these 4 meme coins when they made this article. So this was on the 20th of November. First coin they're talking about, Simon's Cat. If you bought Simon's Cat on the 20th, guess what? You're up. Next coin that they talked about, Miggles. If we go to Miggles and we look on the 20th, guess what? If you bought on the 20th, you're up. Next token that they're talking about here, that is Peanut the Squirrel. Now, this is the one that is a loser, and it's probably because they put the article literally 1 week after the blow off top. But folks, I have a prediction here. If you bought on the 20th, looks like you're really kind of break even. You know, actually, if you caught that wick, you're actually up right now. I think everybody's going to be up, you know, given a week or two. It looks like we're starting to see a rounded bottom on Peanut the Squirrel. And then that takes us to the fourth coin here, SPX 6900. And if you bought that one on the 20th, guess what? You're up tremendously. When we look on the 20th here, you can see it was trading under 50 cents. And right now we're right around 75 cents. You're seeing a 50% pump. So DEXTools articles aren't exactly a top signal. In fact, it might be, you know, something bullish to look into because they're using a lot of money on marketing. And I'm pretty sure they had to pay DEXTools to get these articles on there. In fact, they helped sponsor this video right here. So a big shout out to the Shiro Neko team for making this video possible. Now, this is the TA I wanted to show you here. This is where things start to get exciting. Now we got to go to the 5-minute chart to see the Godwick when it went to $1 billion. So you just click here and go to 5 minutes. And then we pinch in the zoom a little bit and look at that token price. This thing took off like a rocket and shot above $1 billion. We can sort by market cap by hitting M cap right here. And we actually have to shrink the size of the chart here just so we can get to the top. And you can see flirted above $1 billion, even though it's just for a very short, brief period. Let's go back to the 15-minute and do some TA. Because like I said, I'm seeing something pretty unique here, folks. Now, there's a saying in crypto, where it wicks, it will stick. And when I see these giant green candles, to me, that is whales coming in to get some exposure, or possibly even exchanges buying this token in mass so they can add it to their exchange. Now, I saw a little bit of a formation here, and that's kind of checking the bottoms out right here. Now, it looks like it's kind of supporting a pretty strong floor. We're going to go ahead and stretch this a little bit and get it a little bit tighter here, and I am liking what I'm seeing as far as support on this coin. In fact, it's getting really close to a level. In fact, I maybe even should have bought that wick right there. That might be the opportunity. So I might actually have to FOMO in on this one. Because remember, it shot up to $1 billion. It's now down about 65%. And when you look at the previous meme cabal coins, you know, maybe these consolidation periods are pretty good entries. It was a good entry for Shiba. It was a good entry for Pepe. It was a good entry for Bonk. And of course, Brett as well. And so folks, it did shoot up tremendously. Doesn't mean this token is over. Personally, I wouldn't bet against the Shiba Inu army. It's a very strong and dedicated community. So that's all I got for you, folks. Keeping an eye out on these cat tokens, and I'll see you in your meme coins at the top.